Shark on!
Go.
Okay.
Guys, I bought a boat. Figured, you know, it's about time for me to get my first boat, but I've never trailered a boat. I've never backed a boat into the marina or the dock. None of it. So today's the first for me for everything, other than catching fish on the boat, because I'm pretty damn good at that. Hopefully I don't mess anything up, and yeah, enjoy the video.
Come on, baby, light my fire. Trying to set the drag on fire. Not too tight, not too tight. Let him run, let him run, let him run. You got a lot of line. You got a lot of line.
It's a nasty head shake.
That's a monster, bro. Guys. Oh man, we got a boat now, guys. We on a boat. Oh, this is the life. Now we can enjoy the real life fishing.
Pulling the boat.
Oh, you see that? Whoa, whoa, my God. Oh, bro. You know what? No. I'm pulling up the anchor. No, wait.
No, we're good.
Because I can let, oh yeah, you're right. We got this.
It's a nice one.
We can't let him get in.
Nice one.
We can't let him get in the buoy.
I got a shark on my hook.
We got that shark.
All that drag. Gonna beat his ass. Gonna pull him in.
Keep that pressure on him. No, hey, yeah, don't crank too hard on him. You probably have like an 8-footer or a 12.
It's a jumper, whatever it is. I'm still tired from the tarpon the other night. You still straight out of it.
Yo, we got a boat, bro. Make sure your drag is not too tight, because he'll pop.
I didn't have it tight from the jump.
Gain line when you can, because if he takes one more major run, you're done. Gain, go, gain. Yeah, take advantage of the gain, because then if he takes another run, you can't stop it. Rank, gain. Awesome. Oh no. Uh-oh, guys, what kind of shark? Hey guys, comment below if you know the name of this shark that Brian. No. Bro. No, go over the anchor, Just go over it now.
The anchor's over here.
Okay. Bro. It's fun when you got a big fish on. Out here living the life. Look at this. You hear that sound? Reel. The wind.
There he goes. He's running.
Wow, bro, you have a giant. This might be your PB shark. Bro, you have a
straight out the water.
You have a giant. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see this thing. Wait, I might have to bring up the lines or just oh my gosh, the other lines. I'm gonna have to bring it on.
Here. Set this in here.
And then okay. Let me reel in the lines. Woo! I mean, you think I need to? Maybe not. Is it going back that way? No, we're good then. We're good. Oh my gosh! Come on, go underneath! Go underneath, bro! Bro, underneath! Black tip or something. Black tip. Or something.
Lemon.
Oh my god.
Beautiful lemon shark.
Oh, bro.
Over your head.
Yo, that is beautiful. That is what we came out here for. We wanted to get a shark, bro. That is beautiful, guys. Right. Look at this. Fishing at its finest.
Every time he goes one way, bring him back the other way. Wear him out.
Gotta wear him out. Ryan's working on a shark. Guys, you can't swim in these shark-infested waters. Look at this. Guys, comment below. Would you swim in here? I don't know if it's safe. I don't know how to swim, so I probably wouldn't make it out alive. Okay, oh! Hey, I'm gonna grab him still for fun.
You can land him in.
I will. Brian said I can do the honors. I'm gonna try to grab him and hold him up like a baby.
Watch the turn.
My bad, I hit your foot?
It's all good. The other one's broken.
Okay, I'm gonna get him this time. Oh, guys, don't try this at home. No. Oh,
Alright, gotta let him go, we'll bring him back. Here, you gotta get on this side. That's a little bit bigger than I thought.
Guys, we got ourselves a shark. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark.
Got it. Alright, let's get her back in the water.
That's a big shark.
Yep. There you go.
Wow, beautiful.
Make sure you get some water through the gills.
That was an epic fight.
Yeah. But the one thing you always got to be careful about with these lemon sharks is they can actually turn 180 and damn near bite their own tail. So if you're just holding by the backside, they can actually swing around and grab your arm.
Yeah, I gotta be more careful.
We just came out here, test the boat out, give it a little run, and have some fun, guys. I hope you enjoyed the episode, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, because I love each and every one of y'all, and I'll make me love you even more. Woo. Don't know what this is.
Brian is on. Brian, go on this side. Guys, this is epic. Oh, and I got a fish too! Oh, I got a cootie! Okay, I'm gonna bring him in the boat. This boat slays, my guy.
Right here.
Bro. Hey, this is the life. Should we cut that line? Wow, guys, this is a pretty cool creature. Look at his mouth. He's trying to sting me. Wow. Hey, that's why saltwater fishing, you never know what you're gonna catch.
Oh, we're good. Gucci.
That's a fish, right?
I got my bait up on the boat, slaying all the fish.
We got the rods in the water, got the new boat, slaying all the fish.
It's staying afloat.
Yeah, we'll probably get it.
I'll leave the wrapping to you.
We'll debate if you keep it.
Shark on, bro! Shark on!
Shark on!
Go!
Oh my gosh!
Here, watch
Guys.
it. Watch it up there.
Oh! Can I stand up here?
Yeah, just keep your balance.
Guys, Brian the CEO got a new boat! You're gonna see more saltwater adventures! Oh my god! It's a jack!
It's a big old jack.
It's a 20-pound jack!
Nice. Hold on, let me hook
I
up.
did say I would love a jack!
You did just say that,
So
man.
I have a 20-pound jack. Crevel. I have a big...
On the wire.
On the wire, this might be my personal best jack. Okay, I gotta get down.
Yeah, careful.
Oh, no.
No, you're good. You're not by the anchor.
Guys, on Brian's new boat, look at this.
You guys are going underwater in this camera.
Guys, we got... Yeah, and I was like, I'll be happy if I caught a giant jack. And look, my wish came true. Now we're CEO fishing, saltwater another edition for some big old saltwater spin. Woo!
Hey, man, that thing hit. I thought it was a shark that took it, like a little freaking spinner or something.
Bro, hey, guys, we're gonna have some sick saltwater series coming up. Comment below, what do you want to see us target in saltwater? Look at this jack.
Slay with a passion, they say I be swagging, they slaying in fashion. Feel like King Arthur, I just slay the dragon. My jig on the bottom, I ain't even snagging. Slay like a savage from slicking the best.